Looking for one of the best Firestick downloader codes for 2026? In this video, I'll show you how to install the Extreme Discount app in just a few simple steps. The Extreme Discount app is based on TV Mate, with additional optimizations specifically designed for Xtreme HD IPTV customers. It includes all of the premium features already activated, so there is no separate activation process or premium purchase required. To get started, open the Downloader app on your Firestick or Android TV device. Select the box where it says Enter a URL or search term and type in downloader code 9451449. Again, the downloader code is 9451449. After entering the code, select Go. Downloader will connect to the download page and begin downloading the Extreme Discount app. Once the download finishes, select Install. The installation should only take a few moments. When it is complete, select Done or Open to launch the app. As you can see, the entire installation process is extremely fast and easy. The app comes activated and ready to use. All you need is the username and password provided with your Xtreme HD IPTV subscription or free trial. Keep watching to see the app's interface and features, or skip ahead to the 6-minute mark to see how you can instantly receive a free 36-hour trial from xtremediscount.net. Now that the Extreme Discount app has been installed, please sit back, relax, and enjoy this demonstration of the app's interface and features. The Extreme Discount app is based on TV Mate, one of the most popular IPTV players available for Firestick and Android TV devices. This version has been specially optimized for Xtreme HD IPTV customers, making setup quick and effortless. Unlike the standard version of TV Mate, the Extreme Discount app comes with all premium features already activated. There is no need to purchase a separate premium license or enter an activation code. Another great feature is the built-in dynamic DNS address. If the main server address ever changes, the app can automatically stay up to date without requiring you to manually enter a new server URL. All you need to do is sign in with the username and password included with your Extreme HD IPTV account or free trial. As you browse through the app, you'll notice the clean, modern interface that TV Mate is known for. The live TV section is organized into categories, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Browse sports, entertainment, news, movies, kids programming, international channels, and much more. The built-in electronic program guide makes it easy to see what's currently playing and what's coming up next. You can create favorites, organize your most watched channels, and continue watching without having to search every time. Navigation is smooth and responsive, making it a great experience on Firestick, Android TV, Google TV, and compatible streaming devices. The Movies section gives you access to a massive library of on-demand content organized by category. You can browse recently added movies, popular titles, genres, and much more. The TV series section organizes every show by season and episode, making it simple to continue watching where you left off. The interface is designed to be clean, fast, and familiar for anyone who has used TV Mate before. Because the app is customized specifically for Extreme HD IPTV customers, setup is incredibly simple. There are no playlists to import, no complicated URLs to copy and paste, and no premium activation process. Simply install the app using downloader code 9451449, enter your username and password, and you're ready to start watching. Please continue enjoying the footage as I browse through the live TV guide, channel categories, movies, television series, and overall user interface. If you'd like to try the app yourself, you can receive an instant free 36-hour trial from xtremediscount.net. There is absolutely no payment information required. No credit card, no phone number, no waiting for manual activation. Simply enter a valid email address, create a password for your billing portal, and submit your free trial request. Your account is activated instantly, and your login information becomes available immediately inside your billing portal. The link to xtremediscount.net is available in the video description. If you'd rather skip ahead, jump to exactly 6 minutes into this video where I'll show you the complete free trial ordering process from beginning to end. You'll see just how easy it is to create an account and begin watching in only a few minutes. Once again, the downloader code for the Extreme Discount app is 9451449. Enjoy the rest of the demonstration. It's Now I'll show you just how easy it is to receive an instant free 36-hour trial. Open your web browser and visit xtremediscount.net using the link in the video description. From the homepage, select the free trial option. Creating your account only takes a minute. Simply enter a valid email address and create a password for your billing portal. That's it. No credit card is required. No payment information is needed. No personal information beyond your email address. Once you've created your account, submit your free trial request. Unlike many IPTV providers that require someone to manually activate your account, your trial is activated instantly. Immediately after placing your order, you can log into your billing portal to view your account details and service information. You'll receive your username and password, which you'll use to sign into the Xtreme Discount app. Since the app already comes with all premium features activated and the server information built in, there is nothing else to configure. Simply open the app, enter your username and password, and you're ready to start watching. If you haven't installed the app yet, open Downloader and enter code 9451449. Again, that's Downloader code 9451449. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more Firestick tutorials, IPTV setup guides, downloader codes, and streaming tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your free 36-hour trial from xtremediscount.net.